head high, chest up, and catch that brain, 'cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? Today I'm bringing you guys a Bantu knot tutorial using West Kiss body wave texture. Now, I personally have never done Bantu knots before on my natural hair or weave, so I was really interested to see how it would turn out with this body wave hair that already had natural volume. So, brushed out the hair to make sure there was no tangles, and I split the hair in half. Now I'm going to go ahead and brush out the section one more time, then make a small section starting in the back of my hair, clip away the rest, and then spritz the hair with some water just so it'll mold the Bantu knot. Well, at least I'm assuming it will. So I go ahead and twist. I think that's counterclockwise. This is just what I've observed from watching Bantu knot tutorials. But it takes trial and error, so don't be upset with yourself or whatever if you don't get it the first time around, because it was kind of a struggle for me, I won't lie. But I noticed that as long as I kept one hand on the base of the Bantu knot for a while and continued to twist around it, I started to get the hang of it more. But to start off, you're definitely gonna have to keep one of your hands on the base of the Bantu knot, or else it'll just keep unraveling. So yeah, once I'm done with the Bantu knot, I go ahead and secure it with a rubber band because it will fall apart and I'm kind of a rough sleeper. And yeah, I just continue the same exact process on the rest of my hair. I think each side ended up with like 5 or 6 Bantu knots total. Not a long process at all once you get the hang of it. Just keep twisting, and then secure it with a rubber band. And for the record, y'all, let's address the elephant in the room. I'm aware that I cut a little bit too much lace around the ear, but nobody sees it because I wear the hair down anyway. But yeah, I did the rest of my hair off camera. This is how it turned out. I didn't do too shabby, I don't think, for that being the first time I ever did Bantu knots. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my scarf to my edges just to keep them, I guess you can say, laid, slayed, tamed, whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys the next morning. I did sleep with a bonnet that night to keep the Bantu knots intact, and then I'm gonna use scissors to cut the rubber bands from each Bantu knot because it would just be too much chaos going on, me trying to discover the rubber band. And if you do try this method, I would suggest you trying to find some rubber bands that are colorful if your hair is like brown or dark like this, because it was kind of hard for me to find them. But yeah, the reason I really wanted to do the Bantu knots also is because I wanted to mimic a body wave texture, because I know that most body wave hair does eventually lose its wave pattern after a long period of time. So this Bantu knot thing will help me maintain a body wave, heatless body wave, so I won't damage the hair. But yeah, after I've unraveled all the Bantus, I just rake the hair through my fingers, rake my fingers through the hair to give it volume and separation and life. And I was really happy with how it came out, and I love how beautiful this hair is, honestly. The luster that it already has and natural shine along with the volume. I'm huge on volume. I just loved it. I really did. But yeah, how do you guys think I did? Do you like how it turned out? Do you think I should have did something differently, or do you have any suggestions on how to do it better? I do think that I need to make sure that I am wrapping the Bantu knots all the way down to the end, because I did kind of have some straight end pieces that could have been curled had I guess wrapped it the right way. But overall, I think I did pretty good with maintaining this body wave look to it without applying heat. And some pros I've already noticed about this hair is that it's very easy to manipulate and style. I actually haven't received little to any shedding at all from this hair, and it doesn't tangle much at all either. But as I said, I just got this hair, so we'll see what it's looking like in a month or so. But I will leave the links to this hair and West Kiss website in the description box below. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and until next time, guys, bye.